Okay, so today we're going to resize images and move text around, change different fonts and set the spacing between the words. Okay, so we're going to be using WordPress and Elementor. So we're going to log into the WordPress section of the site. This is the most common used login for WordPress, but it can be customized. Okay, so we're going to go to Pages, All Pages. Let me choose a page that we want to edit. So we're going to start with Home Page. You can edit, but that's for other settings. Quick Edit, you can also have a look at. That just displays the settings at the bottom. That should change the link for the top and the page name, the date, say if it's published, pending, but these aren't important, so you don't have to worry about that. Just edit with Elementor. These are the quick edit settings. This is mostly for your search engine, but that we do after we've finished with everything. Okay, so to move the text is quite simple. You just click on the text that you want to edit, and you have all the options on the left side. You can choose if you want it center aligned, to the left or to the right. If you go to style, you can choose the color, any color that you want. If you have a color code, you can put it there. You can choose the font. If you don't have a font over here that you like, you can always upload one using a plugin. You can change the size, the weight, so you can make it from skinny. Okay, but this is a different format, so it won't change because this is a custom font. But if you go to standard, you'll see how it changes. And there we go. That's the text editing. If you want to change the line height, the distance between the sentences, the letter spacing, if you want to reset everything back to default, you can just press there. If you make a mistake, you can also press Ctrl Z and it undoes that. Now and then when you do your changes, it's always good to update, because if you undo, sometimes it undoes everything and then you have to start all over. To change the spacing is quite simple as well. Whichever one you want to change the spacing of, you can edit with right click, edit that section, and then again you have your top options on the left side. Same options as before: alignment, text color, typography. Here's where you would get your spacing. This would be to link if you want to get all the corners to go the same. But it's better to just do one at a time. Then you can do from left and right, and you can just press up on the keyboard and then it goes wherever you want it. But be sure to check mobile excuse me, be sure to check mobile and tablet view. And when you're happy with what you've done, you just press update. If you want to move all of these instead of one by one, you can just reset and then go for the column edit. Go to advanced and then change your padding over here. Again, whatever you do, just make sure you check tablet view and mobile view to make sure everything's in line. As you can see, the wording over here isn't correct in mobile view, so we are going to resize the block, make sure that it's reset, the padding, and then go for the size. There we go. If you want to, you can get the letter spacing a little bit closer to make it a bit bigger. There. If you want to resize the image, all you need to do is edit the image or the video. Press on the blue block on the top right side. Then you get your image settings. You can always just right click on whichever item you want to edit. And then you can choose how you would like it. Can start with thumbnail. Quality would be low, medium, large. You can choose if you want to click on it to expand the image by saying media file, or if you want to add a link. So when you click on the image, does it take you to another page? Then you can say custom URL and type whatever you want there. You can choose your image width, maximum width, if you'd like the corners rounded. When you hover over the picture, what would it do? If you'd like a border over the image, If you don't like these image settings, what you can always do is remove the image and choose a background for your column. Under style, background, normal, classic. Then you can either choose a solid color or image. Insert media, and now you can choose your position and size.